Good morning, students. Today's topic functions of management. The management is a goal oriented and it is an art of getting things done with and through others. So, management is a goal oriented. In order to achieve the goals, we have to do certain functions. So, that is the functions of management, is the concept of this lesson. Managerial functions are time specific institutions, specific and country specific. The management functions of industrial revolution may differ from the management functions of 19th century and followed by 20th century. So this chapter is an attempt to take the managerial functions of 20th century and after. So management functions are called management process. This process is 24 hours non-stop process for attaining the objectives. So again and again, for reaching the highest level of objectives, we are doing something, that is process. So the functions of management can be divided into two categories. First one, main functions and subsidiary functions. So all functions of management are briefly discussed below. In this video, we are going to discuss about the main functions. So planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling, coordination are the main functions of management. So planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivating, controlling, coordinations are the main functions. So there are 7 functions are given. First one, planning. Think before you act or look before you leave are some of the usual traditional proverb. This is a 1-2 mark questions. Name the traditional proverb like planning. So think before you act. So before doing anything, we have to think. Then look before you leave. So the look before. So before doing something, we have to look at the things. So the some of the usual traditional proverb which provide a basic or logic for planning. So planning is the primary functions of management. So planning refer to deciding in advance. Nothing can be performed without planning. Example, writing a book start with planning. In short, planning refer to deciding in advance. Planning is a constructive reviewing of future needs so that the present actions can be adjusted in view of the established goal. So planning should take place before doing. Most individual or group effort are made by determining before any operative action take place, what shall be done, where and how and who shall do it. So planning is the foremost functions of management. Then organizing. Organizing is the process of establishing harmonious relationship among the members of an organization and the creation of network of relationship among them. So organizing function work is assigned to employees who are given authority to carry out work assigned and made accountable for it. So organizing means the harmonious relationship between the workers and the management or the organizations. So they are carry out the work assigned and made accountable for it. Then staffing. Staffing function comprises the activities of selection and placement of competent personnel. So staffing refer to placement of right person in the right job. So staffing includes selection of right person, and so not only selection and give training to the needy person, then promotion of first person, retirement of old partners, performance of appraisal of all personnel, and adequate remuneration of personnel. So the success of any enterprise depends upon the successful performance of staffing functions. Then directing. Directing denotes motivating, leading, guiding, and communicating with subordinate on an ongoing business. So employees are kept informed all necessary matter by circular or instruction or manual or newsletters, notice board, meeting, participating mechanism, etc. So in order to enable the employees to accomplish the organizational goals. So directing denotes motivating the subordinate on an ongoing basis. Then motivation. The goals are achieved with the help of motivation. So motivation include increasing the speedy performance of work and developing a willingness on the part of workers. This is done by a resourceful leader. The workers accept a favorable climate condition to work. Fair treatment, monetary and non-monetary incentives, effective communication and gentleman approach. So motivation is a good job for the management. Then controlling is performed to evaluate the performance of employees and deciding increments in promotion decision. So facilities, the control function helps identifying under performers and arranging remedial training. So controlling is the form of functions of management. It is the actual performance with predetermined standards. Then coordination. Coordination is the integration of actions of all individuals working in the enterprise in different capacities. The subordinate are working in the enterprises with have different capacities. So the integration of all the workers so as to lead the most successful attainment of the common objective. So coordination included in every managerial function. So planning and coordination, organizing and coordination, staffing and coordination, directing and coordination, or motivation and coordination, then controlling and coordination. So all the activities are group wise, section wise under organizing functions. Now such group activities are coordinated towards the accomplishment of objectives of an organization. So the difficulty of coordination depends upon the size of the organization. So the difficulty of coordination is increased with the increasing size of organization. So these are the main functions of the management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, motivation, controlling, and coordination.